Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're active Survivor. EO account is properly linked so you don't lose progress. Once done, back up essentials. Take a screenshot of your account ID, save purchase receipts, and enable any cloud sync options. Next, open the game and go straight to settings right arrow account. Make sure your device is on stable Wi-Fi because account changes and verification codes rely on a steady connection. You now proceed to unlink or change the binding method. First, remove any guest binding or disconnect the old social login in account settings. This prevents conflicts. Then choose how you'll bind the new account, Google, Apple, Facebook, or the game's ID/code system, and enter the credentials. Verify with the in-game prompts and any emailed or SMS codes. Doing this ensures your progress is tied to the new identity and avoids. You finish by logging out and logging back in to confirm the change stuck. Test key progress and features. Once confirmed, restore purchases via the store or cloud save if any content is missing. Make sure to clear cache and restart the app if sync seems delayed. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: immediately collect screenshots, the original account ID, platform, and purchase receipts, then contact support. Provide those details to speed up recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.